Welcome to How to Actually Play Among Us Online 2025. Grab your crewmates as we dive into the game's resurgence in popularity. First, let's set up your account. Go to the Among Us homepage. If you're new, click Create Account and fill in your details. If you already have an account, simply log in. Now, let's navigate the main menu. You have options for online play, local play, and solo mode. Choose wisely. To create your own game, click on Create Game. Choose your settings and invite friends. To join, select Online and browse existing games, keeping an eye out for your desired settings. In 2025, new roles have been introduced. Let's break down the classic roles of imposters and crewmates, along with any new roles you could encounter during your games. Understand the mechanics of the game. Familiarize yourself with tasks, sabotages, and the process for emergency meetings. Next, let's talk communication strategies. Chatting effectively can turn the tide. Use voice for quick discussions and chat for detailed strategies. Familiarize yourself with the new maps. Each location has its own tasks, and knowing them will help you develop your strategies. Whether you're a crewmate or an imposter, strategize wisely. Crewmates should stick together, while imposters need to sow doubt. After the game, check out your stats. Ratings impact your gameplay, so assess performance and improve for next time.